Next to assertions, the execution of test cases is arguably the most important and fundamental aspect of a unit testing framework. However, there may be cases where you want to not run a specific test method or an entire class. For instance, you may want to skip a certain test class while debugging a problem because its test failures are expected or unrelated, but just not what you're working on right now. Instead of doing the tedious work of commenting out code, you can help yourself with some handy annotation. The most straightforward way to ignore certain behavior in JUnit Jupyter comes with the @disabled annotation. When you add it to a method or its test class, the engine will simply not execute it at runtime, like at all. This particular example describes a test that would fail if I actually executed it, because there is no such thing as a 13 of hearts card. Notice that the @disabled annotation sits on top of the method signature here, and this is the indicator that Jupyter shouldn't be bothered with executing this. In the test report, these methods still show up, however, they are marked as ignored. @disabled is an example of an execution condition, which is a term coined by the Jupyter API for a multitude of different annotations that deal with skipping over tests.